it's like a pearl. It's like a pearl color. Just a little bit because I want to make that pop a little. And I'm also gonna apply it. A blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that and apply it all over my crease. And I always extend it, so I never bring it down around my eye. Literally always extend it and bring it out, so that can actually, the look that I always go for, I typically will always make my eyes appear a bit more cat eye. And this shade is D320. With a little bit of this NYX glitter glue,